Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today I have something very amazing and very different and very unique, which is Areej Le Dore perfume set. So this is actually a sample set and I'm going to explore all of these one by one. So first in this video we are going to discuss and explore a perfume which is one of my favorite from this new collection, Le Mitti. Le Mitti is actually my favorite, and I would think that if I purchase this, then this is the one I would like to purchase. You can see over here, this is the sample actually. I bought this sample set for like $100, including the postage. So it is a lot better to test these. And now I'm going to test these on the strip, and we will see how these are actually going to evolve. I have actually tested them on strip once before, and maybe I might spray one or two of them on my skin to see a bit more how these are going to evolve. So this is my favorite so far, Le Mitti. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to spray it on the strip that has its name on it, which is Le Mitti. So let's spray it. Now, why I actually love this? It is, I think, so far, whatever I have tried, attars and different other things, it is the best smell of rain. When rain hits the ground, the mitti or dust, I would say the actual scent or scent profile that is captured in this bottle. This is really amazing, guys. I cannot tell you how. This is all natural. This is clay, kind of clay, green leaves. It is just like raining. You are standing outside in a park and it is raining, then is ground and clay and rain is hitting, and the smell that is emitting from that ground or that clay, also including some of the leaves in the background. I would say this is the best. I have some allergies right now, so please forgive me. This is so calming. I would think if I buy any of these, I would buy this one. Now the simple problem with this one is, although it is very light, very nice, very calming effect, but it is a bit less powerful. But it is very cooling effect. It is like summer rain. There is a lot of heat and then it started raining and everything was cool and calm, and there was a smell of the clay that is emitting from the ground and leaves behind them, fresh leaves taking bath in the rain. This is the best perfume, I would say, natural perfume that has actually captured the scent of the rain or scent of the rain on the clay. So it is earthy, kind of light, I would say kind of airy, light, earthy, with some leaves in the background. This is one of the best, I would say, creations I have seen in the past 5-6 years in the natural perfumery. So this is my review about Areej Le Dore the Mitti. Le Mitti, sorry, not the Mitti. Mitti is actually clay in our language. So that is why in Hindi or in Urdu, we all normally call the clay or the ground clay to be Mitti. So this is the smell of the Mitti. Really nice, very great, one of the best, I would say. So that is my review about Le Mitti from Areej Le Dore, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.